Here we are at beautiful Buckeye Lake, and as you can see, it's beautiful and peaceful here. It's serene. What a beautiful backdrop to the properties that I want to show you today that are here at Buckeye Lake. But you know what? Before we go to the properties, let's go take a look at some of the spots that highlight this great area. Here we are at Papa Boo's, one of the hot spots here at Buckeye Lake. Just a short walk down from the homes we have listed here. And as you can see, I'm sitting in this great chair. It's one of the trademarks here at Papa Boo's. This is the place to live and the place to come to when you're at Buckeye Lake. And here we are at the waterfront at Buckeye Lake, another swinging spot here that everybody comes to when they come to Buckeye Lake. It's a beautiful setting with the marina and the water. It's very relaxing here, great place to be. And it's not far again. You can easily walk here from the homes. And you know what? Now that we've seen Buckeye Lake a little bit, let's go take a look at the homes.